Well, this is huge. Senior citizen Abdul Aziz Issah, a Dreams FC forward, talented forward. CAF Confederation Cup na ekoso no. O kan mo ma she goals do pana for Dreams FC. We John entry free our kan very talented player. Now the general manager of Dreams FC Edin Sembia Tuja for a possible loan deal to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Oko Kesben Sports no and oko grantee interview. The general manager and ye busano regarding officer Abba for the player and Ochiche mu say well Abdul no contract offers about 5 foreign but omo consider nyoma bi nti omo amana anko na yebusa ne say Kumasi Asante Kotoko unim say Drifts FC any Kumasi Asante Kotoko was that kind of vibe no obekai Abdul Rahman a Dreams FC and then ma Krobia Asante Kotoko and a Krobia and the platform no man no and boy and the Babarama abe Babarama unya foreign contract into that question no na yebusa ye the general manager of Dreams FC and all koso achire mu say hey are possible because Krobia na okoso bi nchichimu kakra e ba na nsema okan no e wa ha kakra me de beto so ama na wo hunu de ekọ as far as this player is concerned. To be wrong honest, player bi say Kotoko nyana me de well Kotoko na so play sometimes but player bi say you know before so obeba no we were both Confederation Cup no nti enya nwanwase obetimi abo wo ne nsema odi tu dwane was it Abdul Aziz Issah to Kumasi Asante Kotoko for a loan deal just like Baba Rahman's move from Dreams FC to Kotoko years ago. It is possible. It is not always about money. We consider good sporting projects. Also tell me sika possible. Now you consider good sporting projects and all that. In January alone, we had 5 offers for him from abroad, but we declined. Also, January mu onkwano. Omunya 5 foreign offers for player, but omu consider sporting project. Boy no the development ni ade here. Enti sa Kumasi Asante Kotoko loan deal no. Ontimi nka se enye possible, just like Baba Rama every Dreams FC. Eko Kotoko oko boma obo ni ye pa ene Baba Rahman etimi rise kobo European football ni ade nyina. The same thing could apply to this talented player I friend Abdul Aziz Issah obone ball ma Dreams FC. Well, senior citizens me the player be say there Kotoko no so oba Kotoko obetimi abo because wachire and players be say ni ye pese hu omo club no otumfo si player bi Kotoko pe bia no yem famra obeto we dey nka loan deal keko Kotoko for penny for yenye word because Abdul boy ni nimbobo papa